How to add delivery time in Shopify Product Page. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add delivery time in Shopify Product Page. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to shopify.com. And if you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But going back in here, if you don't know Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that allows businesses of all sizes to create, customize, and operate online stores, in which it offers a comprehensive set of tools and services for selling products or services online, making it easier for entrepreneurs, retailers, and businesses to establish an e-commerce presence without the need for extensive technical knowledge or coding skills. And now to access this platform for free, kindly click this button on the top right corner. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page, which is the dashboard of Shopify. And you will be able to see here on the left side panel some of the options that you can navigate. And to proceed, kindly go to Add Apps button by simply clicking on it. And from here, all you need to do is to scroll down until you find the Shopify App Store. So kindly click on it, and you will be directed on this page. And just proceed by entering on the search bar of it, delivery date. And upon clicking on it, it will show you the results below. And in those results, kindly click this estimated delivery date. And from here, if you scroll down below here, it will show you the overview about this application and the list of benefits and features it offers. And now to proceed, kindly click the install button to install this application. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. Then just click install app button from here. Then after that, it will show you that the application has now been installed. And as you can see, it is currently disabled. And to enable this, kindly click this enable button right here. And after that, you can now start customizing all of the details below, including under the widget. From here, you can customize the message text, including its font size, line height, and even customize the alignment of the text to make it bold, italic, and even underline. And below here, it will show you the list of available variables that are input as default under the estimated delivery date. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you could also choose to customize message to custom out of stock messages. And you could also change the progress bar widget if you prefer to have a basic design or advanced design. So this is what the basic looks like, while the advanced, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to choose the advanced design. And after that, under the order status, from here you can even change the order status title and even the order status tips description below. However, I'm just going to stick with this order status title and also the tips description. And if you are now done customizing under the widget section, we can now move on under the settings section. But before we start customizing under the settings section, we could also click this preview on shop in order to see the changes that we have done. And as you can see below here, it will show you the delivery widget and also other details that we just input. Now moving on under the settings section, from here, you can simply customize the date range settings or the order delivery working days. And also below, you can input the minimum days and the maximum days that you prefer, which is order delivery working days calculator mode. And below here, you could also choose either minimum days and maximum days or only minimum days or none. And aside from that, below here, you could also select the order ready working days. And as you can see below here, all of the days has been checked. While below, under the minimum days and maximum days of it, I'm just going to also stick on the default one, which is from here with the minimum days of 10 and the maximum is 20. And also below here, I'm just going to also stick on this one, minimum days of 1 and also maximum of 3 days. And aside from that, if you want to add a specific holidays date, you can do so by simply filling out this field holidays. While below here under date setting, you could also choose the date format. And as you can see, the default here is month and day. And aside from date settings, you could also navigate or customize the countdown setting. By simply clicking in here, it will show you a variety of options that you can choose for the format of countdown. And after choosing the format, it will show you the changes in here. And aside from that, you can even customize or select cutoff time by enabling the advanced setting. While under the time zone below here, you can choose either to adapt to time zone, which is time zone adaptation based on the visitor's local time, or you can choose fixed time zone, which is based on the time zone configured by the administrator. And you could also choose here also under the countdown mode. Now moving on to appearance section, in here, you can simply customize the appearance of the widget, the layout, and also the design of the configuration, in which you can choose here the widget layout mode, depending on your preferences, but I'm going to choose the second option here, in which by simply clicking on it, it will show you the preview in your widget. So by simply entering or customizing under the appearances, it will show you automatically the changes that happen, such as this widget placement position, this widget placement page, and many more. And as you can see, I choose the widget placement position above Add to Cart, while the placement page is all page. Now moving on under the appearance basic configuration, below here, you can simply customize the margin on the top, right, bottom, or margin on left. While below, you could also customize the width of border, the color. So for instance, we're going to change the progress bar widget appearance color, starting from the icon background color and also the progress line color. So from here, all you need to do is to select the color that you prefer, and upon clicking on the specific color, it will show you the changes that happen under the preview of your widget. And aside from that, below here, you can even change the order status title color, the date title color, description tips, and also the background of description tips. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you can even change or customize under the modal pop-up country appearance configuration. And I'm going to choose all country and also arrow down position, which is to right. And aside from that, below here, you could also change the color of the country list appearances. And that is under the appearance section. Moving on to the advanced section from here, you can simply enable or disable cart or checkout estimated delivery date messages, in which you can configure different estimated delivery messages, dates, and many more. And aside from that, you can even navigate the other section by simply clicking on it. It will just show you that you can add a custom CSS from here. And now, if you're now done customizing all of this estimated delivery date, just click the Save button to save the changes, in which by simply clicking on it, it will show you that it has now been saved successfully. And if you go to your product shop, below here, you will see that the delivery time has now been added to your Shopify product page. So that is just basically how you can add delivery time in Shopify product page. Thank you.